Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok problem. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok that you have on your phone. Any problem that you have on TikTok, you should just go settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of TikTok app. Then here in this page of app info we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your phone or on your application. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.